Hey guys, thought I'd give you a short little video here on the lower village in Kennebunk. We got about 10 or so inches last night in West Kennebunk, and I wanted to show you along the coast here that we got about maybe 3 inches. Over this bridge, we're now into Kennebunkport, and what I'm going to do is take you down to Chick's Marina, take a few pictures, maybe a short video of the marina there, and looking out over the water. And then what we'll do is we'll head down to the jetty to see what's going on down there.